Step 1 is sound recognition. You'll begin by asking your child to write down the letter or letters that can be used to spell the following sounds. So you'll say ah, that's our first one, ah, and your child will write down the letter A. You'll say A, so that A with the line on the top, that's the sound A, and again, they'll write down the letter A. And you'll continue on. When you get to some of the trickier ones, like I, the long I sound, your child knows 2 ways to spell that sound. And so you can prompt them by saying, I, 2 ways to spell I. Write them both down. As you practice, you can discuss the short and long vowel sounds. And your child will learn more ways to spell each sound as we continue through these lessons. Now, for vowel consonant E words, such as make or bike, we just write A rather than A blank E for this exercise. Now, if your child wants to write A blank E or A dash E, you don't have to correct them, but all they have to write is the A to spell that sound. Next, you'll ask your child to count the syllables in the following words. We cover this in level 3, so you can refer to level 3 if you want to know about how to support them in counting syllables. But you'll do car, helicopter, or airplane. I prefer clapping, helicopter, or humming, to help your child count. However, in every lesson, we will not be doing syllable counting. For this particular level, you will go on to naming syllable types. Lesson 1 is called syllable types because your child hasn't learned them yet, but they will learn 6 different syllable types and they'll be memorizing the 6 different syllable types and how to describe them. So we warm up with counting syllables just so they're reintroduced to that idea of what a syllable is, but in future lessons you will say, name the 6 syllable types. And you can prompt them and say, what is an R-controlled syllable? And they'll describe. You can say, what is a vowel team syllable? And they'll describe it. Lesson 10 goes over that in detail, so you can always reference level 10 so you know the different syllable types and can help your child to remember them. Even if you do that as a repeat after me exercise, it still has value to consistently review. So that's step 1.